Alright, this is our harmonic minor scale primer lesson. We're just getting started with the harmonic minor scale. We're going to break this lesson up into 3 smaller videos, I think. What we're starting off with is just construction. What makes a harmonic minor scale different than a natural minor scale? We're going to be doing this in the key of E. If you haven't done any kind of scale construction lessons, you want to go to the Scales and Theory section of my website, markweenguitarlessons.com. There's lessons on major and minor scales and modes and all kinds of stuff. For right now, what we're going to be doing, we're going to build a natural minor scale out of whole steps and half steps. A whole step being the distance between 2 notes that's this far, where there's a fret in between, so you're going up 2 frets. And then a half step is just going up 1 fret. We're in E, 7th fret, 5th string. We're going to be going E, up a whole step to F sharp, which is the 9th fret, up a half step to G, which is a half step, whole step up to A, which is on the 4th string, 7th fret, whole step up to B, half step up to C, whole step up to D, which is the 7th fret on the 3rd string, and then E, which is the octave. We've gone through all the notes, and we get that sound. Now, a harmonic minor scale is where we raise the 7th note of the scale up 1 half step. Right, so we're going to have our E, we're going to go whole step to F sharp, half step to G, whole step to A, whole step to B, half step to C, and then a step and a half up to this D sharp, and then a half step there. So there's actually 3 half steps in this scale, between the 2nd and 3rd notes, the 5th and 6th notes, and now the 7th and 8th. Unlike other scales, this actually has a very wide interval in it. If I was to do this going up 1 string, I'm going to play the low E string. We've got whole step on the 2nd fret on the 6th string. So we've got E, F sharp, half step, whole step, half step on the 8th fret, and then we have to jump up to the 11th fret to get that 7th note, and then back to the octave or the root on the 12th. All right, so you see you've got that really wide interval there, which gives us kind of a Middle Eastern-y. Alright, now there's different ways of using the scale. It all doesn't have to sound like we're going to the Middle East or anything like that, and that's some of the stuff that I'm going to be demonstrating with this series of lessons right here. Alright, so that's the first bit, is just the construction of the E harmonic minor scale, and with it just a kind of a little, you kind of get used to where your harmonic minor scale is next to your natural minor scale, because you can actually take a lot of your natural minor licks and alter them just by raising 1 note, and you're going to have a harmonic minor vocabulary. Alright, so the next lesson we're actually going to be learning a new scale pattern and some licks.